Hey guys, and welcome back. I took a week off to be with my wife and have an absolutely amazing vacation. And now I'm back, and today I am going to bring you along to one of Estonia's bog called Suursoo. So let's go! And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you! Another day, another vlog, and another bog. So it's gonna be the last one for a while at least. But today I'm at Suursoo with my friend Imre, who's already here making some time lapses. And if the weather is right, we are going to be here from sunset until sunrise. So at the moment we have some higher level clouds, we have really nice dispersed light, everything is soft and kind of dreamy. So let's hope the weather will remain the same or similar to this, and hopefully we will have a great evening in the bog. And as I just rode back to Estonia with my bike basically 2 days ago, I don't have a plan for say. I just wanted to get out and get some cool images, and today's weather was really promising. Dude, what the? And somewhere there is the camera making time lapses. As Imre is checking out his first time lapse for today, somewhere there. The weather is absolutely amazing and the clouds are nice and there's so much variation in the sky today. So the golden hour has started and the view in each way is absolutely fantastic at the moment. So, but I found this composition. So it's really nice and simple, just two trees and some reflections and the foreground grass, making it a bit surrealistic. So this image I think represents my style of landscape photography really well. So Imre is running for the tower, and I think I got my settings right for this image now. I'm using a Lee polarizing filter to get a bit more out of the clouds. I hope I don't destroy too much of the reflections, but we'll see. And I'm at f13, ISO is 64, and that's about it. I'm guessing at, yeah, I'm at 70 millimeters at the moment. So let's shoot. And here's the image. Anyhow, as I'm sitting here, I was thinking how I find my compositions, and I think for me there are 3 or 4 main steps. The first thing is, when I walk around, I don't scan everything 24/7 like 360 degrees to find an image. I just walk and observe, and if something catches my eye, something at the edge of my eye stops me, I just stop and I observe. If something actually gives me something interesting or something that will hold me at that spot. If that happens, I will take out my camera. Usually I will use my phone for the first screening. I use my phone screen to just look at the wide angle and zoom in and look sector by sector if there's something that piqued my interest. And if that's done and I really find something that looks nice, then I'll take out my big camera and I'll try to make the shot. So that's my way of finding a composition. It doesn't work for everyone, and every photographer has his or her own way, but that's how I do it and it works for me. So I'm climbing the tower to just see something, if something is interesting up here or not. Usually there is, sometimes it's not, depends on the clouds. So when I was at the tower, I saw this really nice little bog lakes and absolutely amazing sky behind that. So the sky structure at the moment is just beautiful. Small little clouds, the pinkish ribbon cloud in the middle of it. And I came here, my feet are soaking wet, but I hope it's worth it. At the moment I'm at f13, 1/1/6 of a second, and ISO is 64. And I'll probably go down to f8 because it's this lens's sweet spot, and I'll do focus bracketing. So let's try it. And again, don't forget bug spray because it's really important, especially when you're doing a longer exposure in the bog, because everything is moving if you move. Ouch. The sun has gone down and now we wait. So hopefully the temperature will drop enough that we will have some nice mist. If not, we're going home. If there's going to be mist, we are going to be here until the morning and until the sunrise. But the thing about compositions, especially if you're starting out, just shoot as much as you can and everything that seems interesting to you, because yeah, you will do a lot of mistakes, you will have a lot of crappy images, but you will learn from it. As the years go by, or months, or even weeks, you will get better at it. You will see what compositions work, what don't. For some it comes instinctively, others need to learn the rules. It differs a lot. But if you're just beginning, just shoot as much as possible and use as much range of different techniques that you have available to you. You use wide angle, use telephoto lens, use different f-stops to get nice bokeh and everything sharp and so on. so we already packed everything up and say hello to our guest today.
Hello.
And then the colors come out, of course. So I'm just running back a bit to find a nice lake or something to make an image. So see you there. So we are taking in the last light of the evening and just doing a simple reflection image, kind of similar to last week. So we are at 6 seconds, we are at 13, ISO is 64, hopefully everything is pin sharp. We have some light left and let's shoot and let's see what comes out of it. So that's it for today. There's no mist and probably no mist coming because the temperature is not going down enough and we are a bit sleepy, so we are heading home. Thanks for watching. If you like the content, subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified when the new video is up. Thank you guys and see you next time.